What's up, everybody? Welcome to Keeping It Redneck, and today we're bringing you a fishing video. So I got my buddy Adam out here, and we're gonna see if we can catch something. Say hi to the video, Adam. Do you mind being on camera?
I don't mind.
See, we got the rubber worm on the hook. We're about ready to cast out. We'll get back to you very shortly. Okay, so we're back, and my buddy snagged a underwater piece of a tree. What did it snap the line? And my buddy snapped his line, so I kind of guess it's regroup time. But it's a nice day out, here fishing and doing the best we can with what we got. You know, a couple of rednecks. So stay tuned. You want to tell the audience what you're doing, man?
We'll put a sinker on it.
What kind of sinker do you think would be best for a lake like this?
Gotta get some sinkers.